And the process of drying.
If you see, not pretty so, pretty hard for you.
You know, so me happy about that. Give me
Pretty hard for you.
The process of drying your pimento seed. So you put the green seeds here.
That's the drying.
Yeah, and then yes. So you still have some of the green ones here, so you still leave it out and let it dry completely.
Yes. And you do a thing like this. Keep on turn it to make it dry.
Okay.
All right now.
And then once it's dry. Huh? Alright.
All right now, miss.
Yeah. Thank you. And then you just put back the zinc on top, like in the evenings or even during the daytime.
And most the zinc can chop all in or something.
To cover it up. And then before you use it, you wash it and then you use it. Alright. And then parsley it out like this.